Real quick, I just want to thank you guys for making all of this possible. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. I just want to play a quick clip from Twitter of some messages that I received. And again, very grateful for this opportunity.
Thank you for all that you do and all that you give in this group. And I appreciate your authenticity.
Chris, thank you so much for giving me the freedom, the vehicle to freedom, and a vehicle that will give me access to experience life.
Chris, I'd just like to say thanks, bro. Like, the way you changed my life it's just I'm speechless. Words can't really describe how I feel.
Well, thanks, man. That's awesome job.
Thank you. Like, truly thank you, because no obligation to stick around, no obligation to help anybody else, to help us, like the thousands of people in the group. That's rare. That's rare, and it means a lot. Thank you. I very much appreciate it.
First off, thank you. Everything that you've created and all the admins that you brought together to help build such a successful community.
Chris, I think the channel is really great. I absolutely love the work that you're doing, that you put in your whole heart in it, and that you actually getting just so much out of it. It's like, I don't think, I've watched a lot of YouTube channels and I haven't really seen anyone doing what you're doing.
I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, huge reversal. What does this mean? The bears got trapped here. So we talked previously about this bounce, this trend line bounce. The level got lost, but instead of a bearish retest, which would have led to a lot lower prices, the bulls regained this level, and you saw very strong move to the upside. Now there's a bunch of sellers right here. I found some confluence on the stock market chart. That's going to give us a lot of clues as to where the next Bitcoin move is going. So remember that it would be bullish to see a pullback to support and then another drive to try to break above this overhead resistance level, right? Completely normal, completely healthy. Corrective waves are part of it. But again, the bulls showed up here and they trapped the bears. And so the bears, all of a sudden, they're shorting. Well, they got to buy Bitcoin because they got to cover their shorts. So they offset their losses. They did. Yesterday's video, we said, hey, plan A, plan B. Plan A, you get a breakout of this falling wedge, much higher prices. A rejection, potentially you could come down here and pick up a double bottom. Banging. 68% chance of a break to the upside. Technical analysis was right. Huge move out of Bitcoin over a 24-hour period. Banging. You've got to understand these probabilities, the percentages. Like, we nailed this move to the downside. Descending triangle, breaks lower, 64% chance, right? Quite common. Then into the falling wedge that breaks higher, 68% chance breaks higher. Go with the probabilities, and then when technical analysis is wrong, go bigger, because those are my best trades. My favorite trades are when the bears or the bulls get trapped, because I know I'm going to counter trade what everybody else is doing because they got trapped. I got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person was up $10,700 on ANC on one trade. This person up $8,353 on one trade. This person, he made 75 trades. He's got a 72% win rate over the last 90 days while Bitcoin's been getting its teeth kicked in. He's 300% in the green. How is that possible? Simple. We find the bangers daily. This is just from yesterday. 11%, 21, 22, 25, 25, 32, 35, 46, 65, 73. I'm giving 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. I can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Banger after banger after banger. You've got to be in the right coins. Let us help you kill this market. Bitcoin CME futures. Most important thing and idea I want to talk to you about here is when you have a descending triangle, when it does break to the downside, it's very common that you get a falling wedge or descending channel, which 68% chance breaks out to the upside, and it did. And this was an epic pump out of Bitcoin, showed a bunch of strength. Now, there's a bunch of sellers in this area right here. So if you did get some type of pullback here, then you're looking for buy ideas based on the bullish retest of this support level at about 20,300. I want to share something with you real quick about volume. Whenever you have increasing volume on increasing price, this is a sign of strength. Understand that one of the best ways I nail reversals is when you see falling price on falling volume, I'm looking for a reversal. When you see increasing volume on falling price, this is a strong downtrend. Right now, print the screen, save it. If you see decreasing volume on increasing price, it's a sign of weakness. This out, use this. You will make a ton of money just off this one idea. It's this simple. Whenever volume is falling, you're looking for a reversal. Let's keep it that simple, right? So it's a sign of weakness when volume is dropping, whether you're moving to the downside or to the upside. And again, the most important thing about trading successfully in this market is nailing the reversals, period. DXY finally pulled back a little bit. You'd love to see this, if you're heavy into crypto, you'd love to see this pull back even more. But over time, there's definitely ideas where you see a lot more upside out of the dollar index. When the dollar is strong, it's because people are in the dollar and they're not holding stocks or not holding crypto. The signal that we talk about all the time is right here, and this is ES1 exclamation point. You had this shoulder, head, shoulder breakdown, and now you're coming up and you're bearishly retesting it, and you're at about the 382 retracement level. That means this entire move has had a 40% bounce. So the golden pocket, this is where I was looking for reversal ideas, and it's right there. It's real close. So if the bulls can't show up and flip this level, you're looking for a pullback out of the stock market and out of Bitcoin. Okay, so the question is, where will the pullback be? Will you get these, bounces support? Will you look for entry ideas at the end of the day? It's this simple. You get these crazy moves to the upside, but after a rejection of this downtrend line, you're not long term, you're not going anyplace. The main thing is you want to freaking hold some of these coins. You want to break out. You want the stocks to do something completely different. Is that where we are? No, the Fed is like, hey, we're going to come out. We're going to raise the rates. We're serious about killing inflation. And they're going to punish the stock market. Crypto is not going to fare well based on this idea. Now, anything's possible. They could do something different. But however, I'm just trading this chart and front running Bitcoin patterns so that I can open longs and short on altcoins and make a ridiculous amount of money, period. Bitcoin dominance. So one thing that's interesting here, because I talked about loading altcoins after the Bitcoin breakout, but Bitcoin dominance pumped crazy. So that means more money flowed into Bitcoin than it did into the altcoins. So this is an anomaly where Bitcoin was up at one point earlier 8.9%, but Ethereum only up 5.4%. When this is trending higher, Bitcoin outperforms the altcoins. You definitely don't want to see Bitcoin downside and this trending higher because altcoins will get destroyed. So it's very important to find multiple charts that show confluence, that give you an edge trading this market. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.